Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. Today we will rough in a single pole switch. Make sure you nail your boxes on at all the same height. I mount mine at 42 inches to the bottom of the box. Some people rough in boxes to 44 to the middle, but then you have to make sure you eyeball the middle of the box the same every time. If you go to the bottom, you never miss. You just line it up. Remember to also use the guide on the side of the box when nailing it on. These tabs should stick out past the studs to account for drywall. Run the home run or the feed to your box. Make sure you mark it, then run your switch leg. Make sure you have watched our video on roughing in an outlet to know how to drill through studs and how to staple wires. Once you have your hot and switch leg into the box, next you have to tie the grounds together and also tie the neutrals together to pass rough in. I guess that depends on which jurisdiction you're in. Some cities may not require these to be tied together at this point. If you do it now though, it's less work later. If you have several switch legs in a box, then you want to wrap the hot and switch leg together and then tuck it back into the box. Hit that subscribe button and head over to thevirtualelectrician.com to get expert advice from a master electrician.